Voice being to the voice, man. Hey, no more. No more thinking inside the box. No more allowing people to manipulate you, make you spend your money. You feel what I'm saying? No more letting people make you feel guilty about you wanting to be better, about you wanting to get you in a better situation, in a better place. No more of that. No more of that. Focus on you, your family, riches, investments, God, and watch everything fall into place for you. To the voice being like, share and subscribe. The voice.